witness on an aggravated battery.
How y'all doing? This is George at Wicked Warnings. Just putting out another set of twins for one of our good clients. These are service bodies that we went and did our drill-free rooftop mount on. We also did the 16-inch Whelen mini light bar. Just wanted to show you real quick. Got them brand new from the Ford dealer, delivered right here. Knocked them out, put the vinyl on them, put the GPS trackers in them, put the lights on them. Now the client can come pick them up and go right to work. So give us a call if you got some fleet needs. We'll take your vehicles directly from the dealer. We'll outfit them with everything that they need, and you can pick them up here 100% ready to go to work. Thanks again for watching. George at Wicked Warnings, your #1 source for construction and emergency safety lights and equipment. By the way, check the description of this video for a link to each one of these products. It's very simple. It's a drill-free mount. It's a Whelen mini light bar, 16-inch size, permanent mount, and it's 25 feet of 18-3 wire. Very easy install, very simple. Check the descriptions, and thanks again for watching.